Hello students, good morning to all of you. In yesterday's video, we studied some octahedral complexes. We studied the structure of hexammine cobalt 3 ion and hexafluorocobaltate 3 ion according to valence bond theory. So today we are going to study tetrahedral complex. So first of all, today we are going to study about one tetrahedral complex, and that complex is tetrachloronucleate second ion, that is NiCl4 2 minus ion. So let's study the structure of tetrachloronucleate second ion according to valence bond theory. So in this complex, the central metal atom or ion is nickel. So atomic number of nickel, that is Ni, is 28. Atomic number of Ni is 28. So atomic number of nickel is 28. Then by using oxidation rule, we can assign oxidation state of Ni, and oxidation state of Ni or oxidation number of Ni is found to be +2. So atomic number of nickel is 28 and oxidation state of nickel is +2. So by knowing the atomic number of element, we can assign its electronic configuration by using above principle and Hund's multiplicity rule. So electronic configuration of nickel is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then 3d8, then 4s2, and 4p0. So this is the electronic configuration of nickel: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8, 4s2, 4p0. So electronic configuration of Ni2+, because in this complex nickel, its oxidation state or oxidation number is +2. Therefore we have to assign electronic configuration of Ni2+ ion. Ni2+, that means nickel, if it loses 2 electrons, then it gets converted into Ni2+ ion. So here 2 electrons from 4s orbital, they get lost by nickel, and then it gets converted into Ni2+ ion. So that's why the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, 3d8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then 3d8, then here 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6, then 3d8 and here 2 electrons from this 4s orbital they gets lost during the conversion of Ni into Ni2 plus. Therefore here 4s 0 and next is 4p also 0. So this is the electronic configuration of Ni2 plus ion. Then valence shell electronic configuration of Ni2 plus ion, it is represented in box diagram as follows. Let's represent valence shell electronic, that is outer electronic configuration of Ni2 plus ion by using the box diagrams. So valence shell electronic configuration, so here it contains 3d8 electrons. 3d8 electrons. So first of all, electrons are filled singly. First, then second, third, fourth, fifth, then here 6, here 7th, and here 8. 3d8. Then 4s 0 and 4p 0. So this is the box diagram of valence electronic configuration of Ni2 plus ion. Ni2 plus ion. So in this complex, number of chloride ligand, that is Cl minus, number of chloride ligand is 4. In this complex, number of chloride ligand is 4. Therefore, number of vacant metal ion orbitals required for bonding with ligand must be also 4. Since in this complex, number of chloride ligands are 4. Number of chloride ligands are 4. Therefore, number of vacant of metal ion orbital, number of vacant metal ion orbital required for bonding with ligand must be 4. So it proves the complex has tetrahedral structure. So vacant orbital, number of vacant orbital required, it is 4 because number of ligands are 4. Therefore complex has a tetrahedral structure. So complex has tetrahedral structure. So 4 orbitals on metal available for hybridization. 4 orbitals on metal available for hybridization are 1,4s. This is 1,4s. 1,4s. Then 3,4p. 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 So orbitals, 4 orbitals, 1s and 3p. 4 orbitals on metal available for hybridization are 1,4s and 3,4p. So Ni undergoes sp3 hybridization. Ni undergoes sp3 hybridization, S and P. sp3, 1s and 4p. So Ni undergoes sp3 hybridization by mixing 4s, 1,4s and 3,4p orbitals to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So Ni undergoes sp3 hybridization. Ni undergoes sp3 hybridization by mixing 1,4s and 3,4p to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So it undergoes sp3 hybridization for mixing 4s and 3p to form 4 sp3 hybridized orbital. 4 sp3 hybridized orbital. So it is a high spin complex. This complex, it is a high spin complex. So it is a high spin complex. So pairing of electron. So pairing of electron. It is a high spin complex. Therefore, pairing of electron will not take place. Will not takes place. So pairing of electron will not take place prior to hybridization. Prior to hybridization. So pairing of electron will not take place prior to hybridization. That means electronic configuration remains same. Therefore, or that means electronic configuration remains same. Electronic configuration remains same as in free state or as above. Electronic configuration remains as it is in free state. So 4 vacant sp3 hybrid orbitals of Ni2 plus. These 4 vacant sp3 hybrid orbitals. So 4 vacant sp3 hybrid orbitals of Ni2 plus overlaps with 4 orbitals of chloride ions, that is Cl minus ion, chloride minus ion ligands. So 4 vacant sp3 hybrid orbitals of Ni2 plus, they overlaps or mixes with 4 orbitals of Cl minus ion ligand. So and derived from sp3 hybridization. So here electronic configuration after complex formation is, so electronic configuration after complex formation is, so these are 3d orbitals. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are 3d orbitals. Then next it is the 4s orbital, and next one it is the 4p orbitals. 3d, 4s and 4p. 3d, 4s and 4p. So electronic configuration after complex formation. Electronic configuration after complex formation is, so here there are 2 electrons. So here also there are 2 electrons. So 2 electrons. Then here again there are 2 electrons. So here 2 electrons. Then here 2 electrons. Here again 2 electrons. Then here 2 single electrons. So here single electron, here single electron. Then these four chloride ligands, they gives a pair of electron. So there is one pair of electron in 4s and remaining 3 are in 4p orbital. So these are the electrons, or these electron pairs are from 4 chloride ligands. So here, thus hybridization, it is the sp3. So this particular complex is paramagnetic. This particular complex is paramagnetic since it contains two unpaired electrons. It contains two unpaired electrons. So complex is paramagnetic. Complex is paramagnetic since it contains two unpaired electrons. So the structure of complex NiCl4 minus is as like this. So sp3 hybridization means tetrahedral structure. At the center there is nickel, and these 4 ligands, that is chloride ions, they are arranged tetrahedrally with this nickel. So thus here we finished the tetrahedral complex, and that tetrahedral complex is tetrachloronickelate second ion. So once again, let's try to understand once again how this tetrachloronickelate second ion is formed. So in tetrachloronickelate second ion, nickel is the central metal atom or ion. So atomic number of nickel is 28. So here on this nickel there is +2 charge. That means oxidation state of nickel, it is found to be +2. Nickel has atomic number 28. Therefore its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8, 4s2 and 4p0. We can assign this electronic configuration by using above principle or Hund's rule. Then electronic configuration for Ni2 plus is, so nickel, it is converted into Ni2 plus by losing 2 electrons from 4s orbital. Therefore the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8 and 4s, here instead of 2, here 4s0. So 2 electrons from 4s orbital, they gets lost during the conversion of Ni into Ni2 plus. So 4p0. So valence shell electronic configuration of Ni2 plus, it is represented by the box diagram. Valence shell electronic configuration of Ni2 plus is represented by box diagram as follows. So this is the valence shell electronic configuration. So in this complex, number of ligands, that is chloride ligands, are 4. Since their number is 4, therefore number of vacant metal ion orbitals required for bonding with ligand must be 4. So it proves the complex has tetrahedral structure. So 4 orbitals on metal available for hybridization are 1s and 3 4p. 4 orbitals available are 1 4s and 3 4p. So nickel here undergoes sp3 type of hybridization by mixing 1 4s and 3 4p orbitals, and thus it forms 4 sp3 hybridized orbital. During this complex formation, Ni undergoes sp3 hybridization and it produces 4 sp3 hybridized orbital. So this complex is high spin complex. Since it is high spin complex, therefore pairing of electron does not take place. Pairing of electron does not take place prior to hybridization. Therefore electronic configuration remains same as above. So 4 vacant sp3 hybrid orbital, 4 vacant sp3 hybrid orbitals of nickel, they overlaps with 4 orbitals of chloride ion derived from sp3 hybridization. Therefore electronic configuration of complex formation or electronic configuration after complex formation is this 3D. So this is the electronic configuration after the complex formation. So this particular complex, it is a paramagnetic. Why it is paramagnetic? Because this complex, it contains only 2 unpaired electrons. Therefore it is a paramagnetic and its structure is tetrahedral. So after studying tetrahedral complex, now we are going to study the next complex, and that complex is square planar complex. In square planar complex, we are going to study the complex that is tetracyanonickelate second ion. Tetracyanonickelate second ion. Nickel, on nickel there is a +2 charge. So let's study the structure of tetracyanonickelate second ion. So atomic number of nitrogen, it is 28. We just studied its atomic number 28. Then in this complex, by using the rules to assign the oxidation number or oxidation state of Ni, it is found to be +2. We can derive this +2 oxidation state by using the rules to assign the oxidation number. Then electronic configuration of nickel. Electronic configuration of nickel is 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2, then 3p6, then 3d8, then 4s2 and 4p0. So this is the electronic configuration of nickel. Then let's represent electronic configuration of Ni2 plus ion. So to convert nickel into Ni2 plus ion, it have to lose 2 electrons and it loses 2 electrons from 4s orbital. Therefore electronic configuration of Ni2 plus is 1s2, then 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 2p6, 3s2, then 3p6, then 3d8, and here now 4s0 and 4p also 0. So these are the electronic configuration of Ni and Ni2 plus ion. So valence shell electronic configuration of Ni2 plus, valence shell electronic configuration of Ni2 plus is represented by box diagram as follows. So 3D contains 8 electrons. Therefore let's fill these electrons in these 3D orbitals. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Firstly, electrons are filled singly in each orbital and then pairing occurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7 and 8. 3d 8. Then 4s, it does not contain electron, therefore it is vacant. 4p does not contain electron, therefore it is also vacant. So the number of cyanide ligands, Cn minus ligand, is, in this complex, number of cyanide ligand is 4. Therefore, since its number is 4, therefore number of vacant metal ion orbitals required for bonding with ligands would be also 4. Listen once again. Number of vacant metal ion orbital required for bonding with ligands would be 4, because number of cyanide ligand is 4. So this particular complex is low spin. It is a low spin. Since it is a low spin complex, so pairing of electron takes place prior to hybridization. So here complex is low spin, so pairing of electron takes place prior to hybridization. So nickel undergoes, here complex is low spin, so pairing of electron takes place prior to hybridization. So represent here 3d orbitals. These are 3d orbitals, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then here 4s orbital, and these are 4p orbitals. So this complex is low spin, therefore pairing of electron takes place. These electrons gets paired. That's why now electronic configuration becomes as like this: 2 electrons here, then 2 electrons here, again 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons, they get paired here. So now here orbitals available for hybridization are 1, 3d. This is vacant orbital, therefore orbitals available for hybridization are 1, 3d. So 1, 3d, then 1, 3d, then here 1, 4s, 1, 3d, 1, 4s, 1, 4s, and 1, 4s and 2, 4p, and 2, 4p, 2, 4p. So orbitals available for hybridization, ligands are 4. Therefore 1, 3d, 1, 4s and 2, 4p orbitals are utilized. Thus nickel undergoes. So here nickel undergoes. So here the type of hybridization is 1d orbital is there, therefore d, sp2. So nickel undergoes dsp2 because 4p orbitals are there. So nickel undergoes dsp2 hybridization by mixing 1, 3d, 1, 4s and 2, 4p to form to form four dsp2 hybrid orbitals. To form four dsp2 hybrid orbitals. So here we can represent the box diagram. So here these are the 3D orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4. Then these are the 4s and these are 4p. So here electrons are paired. 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here, 2 electrons, and here also 2 electrons. So here mixing of these orbitals takes place. This is 3D 4s and here these are 2 4p. So thus hybridization is D 1D, then here S ds and 2p, therefore dsp2 hybridization. So 4 vacant 1 2 3 4 vacant dsp2 hybrid orbitals of nickel. 4 vacant 1 2 3 4 vacant dsp2 hybrid orbital of Ni2 plus then overlaps with 4 orbitals of Cn minus to form NiCn coordinate bond. So 4 vacant dsp2 hybrid orbital 1 2 3 4 vacant dsp2 hybrid orbital of Ni2 plus they overlaps with 4 orbitals of Cn minus to form NiCn coordinate bond. So here electronic configuration after complex formation is let's represent the electronic configuration after complex formation 1 2 3 4 5. So these are 3D orbitals. Then here 4s orbital and here 4p orbitals. So 2 electron here, 2 here, 2 and here 2 represent these electrons. Here 2 electron, 2 electron, here 2 electron and here 2 electron. Then these orbitals 1 2 3 4 they gets mixed with each other and forms dsp2 hybrid orbitals. So electron pair from 4 Cn minus ion they enters into this vacant orbital. So there are 4 cyanide ligands, each ligand having 2 electrons. Therefore these are the electrons of ligand 1 then 2 then 3 and then 4. So thus here mixing of these orbitals takes place and here the hybridization is dsp2 hybridization. So this is the electronic configuration. Of this particular complex. So this complex, this tetracyanonucleate second ion has no unpaired electron has no unpaired electron. So complex has no unpaired electron, hence it is dimagnetic. It is dimagnetic. So complex has no unpaired electron, hence it is dimagnetic in nature. So the structure of coordinate complex, that is tetracyanonucleate second ion, is as like this. So at the center there is a nickel. The geometry, it is a square planar geometry, and here there are 4 cyanide ligands and charge is 2 minus. So thus here we completed second one.